This definitely looks good, way better than before. Gives that tailgate a little bit of integrity of its own. You already know who it is, man. JamesAtkinsTv. Hit that like, comment, subscribe to the channel. JATV. What is going on, YouTube? Man, it's your boy, JamesAtkinsTv, and thanks in advance for tapping in with your boy, man. Look, check this out. This modification right here, I really can't call it a mod, but has been one that's long overdue. I've said it I was gonna do it a long time ago, but today is actually the day that I'm actually gonna put these F150 tailgate letters on the truck. It's gonna be a very quick video. I got my rubbing alcohol here, got my tripod ready to go. So I'm not really gonna do too much talking about this one. I just know it's kind of windy outside, so I want to tell y'all in the house that tailgate letters are going onto the truck. I'm about 70 to 75 subscribers away from that 1,000 mark as of making this video. So we got a 30 like goal in this video. Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can find your way back to more content. Crazy stuff coming for the summer. I believe that as of today, I'm also dropping a video with the last C8 Corvette rollout that I just had with the guys. So yeah, man, a lot of stuff happening, a lot of stuff going on. Trying to catch up on some content. So look, make sure you tap in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And we got more on the way. It's kind of bright out here, which is gonna be good for the video. Fred.
Hey, how you doing?
How's it going, boss? Yeah, so I need to go ahead and get this video done because I've been really procrastinating on it for a while now. And yeah, man, I'm gonna get a little quick walk around of the truck. I can't wait till I get these emblems as well. I'm gonna get the emblems changed out, the Ford badging changed out as well. But that's gonna be coming. So you guys stay tight, you guys stay tuned for those. All right guys, so I got the camera mounted up on my little tripod here. I'm gonna give you a quick walk around of the truck for those that are new to the channel so you can see exactly what's on it. Give you a little understanding of what we got going on. And then I'll go ahead and get started on the install of the decal of the tailgate letters, all right? First thing first, 2018 F150 Lariat. I'm gonna kind of speak up because it is, like I said, in the inside, it's kind of windy out here right now. 37 Delente tires. These are their RTs. It's their hybrid tire. I love these tires, by the way. Really super quiet. XF Flow, XF off-road wheels. 24 by 12 on the wheels, and I also got a ready lift suspension, 7-inch ready lift suspension. Those are the Bilstein shocks, as well as, let me see if I can get the cross member down here. I got this thing on this tripod, so there we go. You guys get the understanding right there. All right, so let's go ahead and get these letters on. All right, so let me go and get a microfiber, get this surface cleaned down, and I'll get the letters on there. Get alcohol. Wet up the microfiber really good with that. Rub down this surface. Show you guys what the tailgate letters are. My first time doing this, I failed really bad because I ordered the wrong one, but this is what they look like. Okay, can y'all see that? There we go. It's red outline, black inside, you know. Pretty cool, right? I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like once it's done. I'm not securing it down, I'm just placing them up there just to make sure that the look is right before I secure it down. I'm not putting it in hard, so. All right, got them all cut out. This is gonna be a lot easier now.
Keep that protective film over the top of it. Put the head nice and neat. I got that one first shot.
Awesome. Here's the finished result, ladies and gentlemen. I think it looks pretty good. What y'all think, man? Fairly simple. Well, not fairly simple. A very simple, very easy install. Didn't take that much time at all. This definitely looks good. Way better than before. Gives that tailgate a little bit of integrity of its own. Gives it its own style and appearance. But I for sure am changing that Ford emblem to a red and black one. So that has to happen fairly quick, because that's the one thing that I'm kinda like indifferent on, and I'm not really liking right now. But looks good in my overall, but just gotta change that Ford emblem out